Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Yes, today we are going to see our easy storage tips of flowers. So why wait? Let's jump on to the tips. So today we are going to just see about the storage for flowers in the fridge, with fridge and without fridge. For that you have to take a fresh banana leaves. Make sure that the banana leaves is fresh, it should not be dry. I'm taking a tiffin box container where I'm going to just take the impression out of it, and I'm going to just place the banana leaf to the tiffin box inside. Make sure that you're not cutting your hands. Make it so safe that the shape of the tiffin box container should be exactly inserted into the tiffin box. So now if you see, I have the beautiful output of the banana leaf impression, and now I'm going to just keep the jasmine flower inside the banana leaf. It helps to store the moisture and the fragrance of the jasmine flower, and to retain it more, I'm just going to cut the stem part of the banana leaf and I'm going to chop into small pieces, as small as it can be, and I'm going to just keep it on the top of the jasmine flower. And with the excess banana leaf, I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to just keep it as it is to the top of the flower, and I'm going to just cover it with a lid. This is very interesting for the persons who always have fridge with them. It helps to save the flower freshness. And the tip to number 2 is that we are going to use 2 tissue papers. I have taken 2 tissue papers. In one of the tissue paper, I am going to just spread it properly. Make sure that it looks actually like a sheet, and I am going to place the flower which I am going to store. Yes, you can just store it like this by folding the 4 corners of the tissue paper so that it retains the dryness which can come even though the flower gets stored in the fridge. And I'm going to just place the second tissue paper underneath. It is very easy for the persons who are having fridge by using this tip. It is very useful. So now I'm going to just insert the jasmine flower with the tissue paper wrapped inside the tiffin box, and I'm going to close it with a lid. This helps people a lot, especially during the summer seasons. And now comes the actual topic, is how to store the flower without fridge for its long lasting freshness and moisture. For that, I have taken a cloth bag and I'm just going to insert the flower into it. And here you have to note one thing, that you are going to fold the cloth bag with some space that you are going to give to the flower for to get stored. And you see, I have gently wrapped the cloth bag with the jasmine flower inside it. This stands to be the best tip without fridge. And for tip number 2, I have taken a bowl with the water in it. Make sure the water is fresh and chill. And I'm going to place here the banana leaf. Banana leaves always maintains the temperature of the moisture and the freshness of the flowers. I'm placing the jasmine flower to its center. If you're going to store in a box, then it will be well and good. And I'm going to just close it with the lid and keep it as it is. So that's all for today. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Keep watching. Stay connected. Happy cooking.